Hello, my name is Don Chater. I'm a website SEO guy. I'm local to you and thought I'd give you some free tips and tricks on your website to get you ranking, get you more customers ultimately. Got your website up here and let's see, it looks like looks really professional actually. You use GoDaddy and it's secure. So those are good things. This map is really good and couple of ideas here. I got this one tool here that I already ran your website in the scanner here. So a title tag, that's super important when someone searches for you. I'll just do a quick one here. Let's see, towing in Kenosha. So here we go. Like Jensen, you're probably tired of seeing these guys' trucks everywhere. But their title tag is Jensen Towing Pipe, Towing Experts Pipe, Kenosha, Wisconsin. So on yours, you have no title tag. So Google's probably confused about who you are, where you are. Same thing with this meta description. It says you have none. Again, that's this black part. Find your roadside assistance. And then the next thing on here, and these are really important too. So these header tags, H1 tags, it says you don't even have that. So anyhow, these three things, simply just having those three things would tell Google who you are, where you are, and what services you provide. And then that should get you ranking onto the first or second page at least, your website. So those are just some ideas. I think if you logged into GoDaddy, it's in there. I can help you with that if you want. I do this for a living. I am a small business, but I do no contracts, no, money back guaranteed, 60 days, 90 days. I've never given anybody back their money before. Everybody's been happy. So if you're interested, or just have more questions or whatever, let me know. I'll gonna end this video and send it to you. And I hope these little tips and tricks help you nonetheless. Have a good day.